Yes, good morning to everyone. I know a lot of people are watching my video, but I want to make one analysis about load calculation for solar system because there are a lot of technicians they don't know how to do load calculation, and a lot of them can just go to the house and they just figure out. Say, okay, how are we going to do the work? I just need 1000 watt inverter. I just need six battery. I just need without load calculation. Is that also? Without load calculation. So whenever you want to do a load calculation, what you're going to do first? You go to the house, check all the appliances that the client need to be work with the solar system. There are some appliances the client does not need to work with the solar system. You take them out. The one that the client need to work, you calculate it. Assuming that, let's say, the ceiling fan, let's predict the ceiling fan is 40 watts. Okay, now you have, let's say, like 4 ceiling fan. This 40 watts, times it by 4, then give you the amount of what of the fan that you collect. Let's say 4 fan, they collect it for 40 watts. You know how many watts you already have for fan. Then you go to waiting the lighting system, which is the lamp. Let's say you check how many lamps in the house. Then you ask the client, how many lamps do you want to use to work with the solar system? Okay, the client says that, okay, I want all the lighting systems to work. Okay, after all the collective of the lighting system, you get it like 100 watt. 100 watt plus the fan wattage, you put it together. Okay, then you ask again how many fridge that you want to use. You understand? How many fan that you want to use? Okay, how many fan that you want to use? Sorry, how many fridge that you want to use? They said, okay, I want to use like 3 fridge. How many the fridge? Each fridge, how much it cost or wattage cost? Let's say this fridge, after you do the calculation, the fridge costs, let me say, like 40 watts or 60 watts or like 20 watts. You do all the collective of the load wattage. You do all the collective of the load wattage, then you bring it together. When you bring it together, assuming that after you bring everything together, it give you like 500 watts. Prediction, it give you like 500 watts. So the 500 watts, what you're going to do, you times is 2. You say the 500 watts, the load calculation for wattage in the house is 500 watts. Times 2, it give you 1000 watts. So automatically, you know that the 1000 watts is your inverter. The 1000 watts is your inverter. Then you already know that the 1000 watts is my inverter. I hope you understand. So that's the way you're going to do the load calculation. But clients should not call you, hey, engineer, I want to do solar system. How much it cost? Which you did not know the load calculation. You just take amount. You said, okay, just take 1000 watt inverter. Then I need 5 battery. Then I need 10 panel. How is possible? That's why a lot of the houses they have this problem for beep sound. When they give too much of load in the house, then the inverter start to beep, beep, beep. Sometimes we beep, you put everything off. You say, I'm tired of this noise. It's happened like that. Always. So technician, very be careful. Why doing this work for people? Okay, make sure you go to the house and do calculation, load calculation. If you did not do load calculation, you have a fault, and they will always call you to figure out this problem. Okay, thank you, all electricians. You get it? Okay, you don't get it, just forget about it.